Duck, 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 duck. Come on, stretch. Stretch. Good girl. Good girl. You're okay. Hey, you little brat. What are you doing? Come here. Step up. Get back up here. These are 4 little conures. First one's Sinbad, and it's Joey. And the little colorful one is Birdie, and then we've got Peter. It's a non-day conure. Birdie, relax. And we've got little cockatiels. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The little one that's actually on the floor is named Charlie. And he's our newest little member. He came in all by himself, and he seems to be getting along great with everybody. Akua here wants to be the center of attention, huh, sweetheart? Are you a pretty bird? Birdie, come here, step up. Pretty bird. As you can tell, she's a big drama queen. She loves attention. And then here we've got Kramer. He's a little escape artist, so he has to have a combination lock on his cage. Are you a pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? You are? And then over here we've got our macaws. That's our cockatoo. That's the reason why a lot of them get rehomed. They get pretty loud. This is Red. Hey. And that's Jake, if you can hear me over this. Gotta go find Birdie. She decided to walk. Birdie, you knucklehead, come here. Step up. Good girl. And this again is Birdie. She likes to be adventurous. Come on. But that's one of the reasons why cockatoos get rehomed a lot. Especially if they're not happy. She's happy right now, so she's actually, this is a good noise, but they can be just that loud when they're not happy. These are some of our guys, and then we've got our parakeets over here. So that comes from different homes. And Birdie, come here. Step up. And again, Birdie deciding to try and escape. Back up there. But these are our guys, and we're slowly getting in more. Unfortunately, so many people are losing their homes, or they just can't afford these guys, or they get annoyed. Akua here was picked up in California. They didn't want her anymore. They didn't really give us a reason, except they had no time for her. But as you can tell, she's loud. Kramer here, they give it food allergy. Okay, do you want to say goodbye? Goodbye. And again, these are our macaws, in case you didn't hear that. This one's Red. And that's Jake. Again, that's Jake, in case you didn't hear me over the cockatoo screaming. Alright. You want to say pretty bird? Pretty bird? Are you a pretty bird? Pretty bird? No? Okay, fine. Bye-bye.